Hello and welcome my friends. I am your teacher Ankit from Aanav Creations. Today I am going to start a digital marketing season 2, a new topic, paid results explained. Yesterday we have learned about organic results. Now we will study a paid results. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of this video. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As I told you, our today's topic is paid research explained as you seen in the thumbnail. Hey there, ready to learn a bit about advertising on search engines. We will cover how advertising on search engine works for you. That's called SEM or search engine marketing. We will explain why it's so effective and how business compete to show ads. Now let us take an example from Raka Chakravarti from Gourmet Delight shows us how important it is to pick the right keywords for your SEM campaigns in the digital world. She said, it's very crucial initially when you start off to optimize your search engine process because the keywords that you are choosing both via organic search as well as the paid search typically define your site and your business to the customer at large, to the world at large. What happens typically is that when we choose certain words as paid keywords, we understand whether or not they work as organic search for you. So there is a lot of learning that we are doing from paid keywords in the paid campaigns as well. Also, what happens is that they give us a very quick returns because organic search takes time for it to go up at the page and get the rankings, and paid ones because you are bidding it faster. Imagine you live in Chennai. After a long tiring week, you are desperate for a quick and relaxing session on meditation. You pull out your mobile and search for meditation centers in Chennai. Now you have a full page of options to consider that the meditation centers for Chennai. Every section on the page, the map, the ads and the search results present options. Who knew there would be so many? Some of these results are selected by the search engine organic formula. These pages are considered the most relevant web pages the search engine can find for this search. The other sections are ads. If you take a moment to compare the ads you see to those in a print magazine, you might notice one big difference of that ads. Actually, every ad is for a meditation center. You don't see ads for unrelated things, and interestingly enough, the AdWords seems quite similar to the organic results. This is by design and it's what makes paid search advertising so effective for you. A search engine's most important job is to show people the results they are looking for, and this extends to the ads. The ads you see complement to the search results page with the ultimate goal of helping a searcher to the new level, find what they are looking for. So how exactly does search engine advertising work for you? There are several models. Let's take a look at one popular options. The text ads you see on the search engine results pages. Every time someone searches, advertisers compete for the opportunity to display ads. It happens in milliseconds, and the searcher won't see the details, only the winners, the ads that appear on the page of that particular page. So how do you search engine decide who wins? The primary components are the bid and the quality. The bid is the maximum amount an advertiser is willing to pay for a click on ad. If someone clicks the ad, the advertiser is charged an amount equal to or sometimes less than a bid. So if an advertiser bids 20 rupees for a keyword, that's the most he would pay for a single ad click to you. If an ad shows on the page but no one clicks, it does not cost the advertiser anything at all. Ideally, bids correspond to the value of the keyword to the business, but the amount is up to each advertiser. Some advertisers may be willing to bid 60 rupees for a keyword, others may be willing to bid 10 rupees only. Bid averages vary industry by industry and the keyword by keyword. Bids are important, but so is quality, which is very difficult to achieve. Winning the auction does not always hinge on having the highest bid. Search engines reward ads and keywords with strong relevance to the search. In fact, it's possible that relevant ads can win higher spots on the search results page, even with lower bids in some cases. No matter how high a bid, a search engine will not display the ad if it's irrelevant to you. To summarize, paid ads offer another way to promote your products and services on search engine results page to you. With a well-constructed search advertising campaign, you can reach customers at a very moment they are looking for what you offer actually. Want to learn more about SEM? Check out the other search advertising lessons of us coming soon. So don't forget to subscribe